guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back for another car news video here on the channel. This time we'll be discussing the all-new 2020 Ford Bronco Sport. I've already made a video discussing the 2021 bigger Ford Bronco, and you guys can check that out in the link in the description below for more information on that. But today we're going to go over a lot of the brand new features of the smaller Bronco Sport. If you guys do enjoy and would like to see more, make sure you drop a like on this video. Also, make sure you subscribe for more content like this. Hopefully you all do enjoy, and let's get started. With Ford transitioning their lineup to being only trucks and SUVs, Ford decided to bring back the Bronco. Along with that, they decided to bring a mini version and called it the Bronco Sport. It's based on the Ford Escape platform and will have similar specs. As for my thoughts on the styling, while it doesn't have the same type of grille as the bigger Bronco, I still think it looks good. The Bronco Sport will have standard 4-wheel drive, 7 different GOAT modes or go over any terrain modes, and even water forging capabilities too. Overall, I really like the exterior here. Up next is the interior. Yes, I know it may not be as rugged as the other Bronco, but I think it looks very comfortable from the seats to the steering wheel. It will have wireless charging capabilities and the Sync 3 system with an 8-inch touchscreen. Overall, a really nice interior. Now we get into the different trim levels and engine options. The Bronco Sport does not seem to have the same amount as the bigger Bronco, but we still have the main ones such as the Base, Big Bend, Outer Banks, and Badlands, and the first edition, which has already been spoken for on the reservations. The Black Diamond and Wild Track seem to be excluded, and nothing has been confirmed about any Sasquatch package. As for the engine options, we'll have a 1.5 liter EcoBoost 3-cylinder making 181 horsepower and 190 pound-feet of torque, and that's if you get the Base, Big Bend, or Outer Banks trims. If that's not enough for you, a 2-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder will be available with 245 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque, with an 8-speed automatic being your only choice. Overall, the Bronco Sport seems to be a really nice alternative to a lot of these other crossovers. It looks like Ford is going to be targeting this SUV with the Jeep Cherokee and Jeep Compass, but I think it's more for the Jeep Renegade. But overall, it should actually make some really good competition against the Compass. The Bronco Sport will go on sale later this year, and prices are going to be around the $26,000 mark, which is right around the price of a brand new Jeep Cherokee. Now, I'm waiting to see what Jeep does next. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys did find it informative. If you guys did and you'd like to see more, make sure you drop a like on this video. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos like these. Thank you guys so much for watching. With all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next episode.